Hello there. I can't see myself in the black reflection, but you probably can. It's a beautiful sunny day today. The sun is starting to come through my art room window now, so I have to get on with this video before I'm totally bathed in sunlight here. I'm going to do the next one of my series of pours from my spray can cup, this one being the black and white. And the colours that I'm using today are Montmartre acrylic colour in the signature range in Mars Black, and Francheville. Instead of using just regular white, I am using the pearl white, and just those two colours are going to go down on my canvas, which is a 9" by 12" canvas, and it has already been coated in the black. And in the cup I have put black into the middle and then covered it with white to try and cover it all up before I pour. And I am just going to do a spiral type pour, hopefully. We'll just see how it comes out. So I'll get started now. Well, there you go, a completely different effect to what I was expecting. I have run the torch over it and brought up quite a few air bubbles and lacing bits, which are very, very pretty. I love the minimalist touch when it comes to the black and the white, and I think I have got a an exploding comet or something similar going on with this one, and I think it's just beautiful. So I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera now for you to look at before the sun comes in too much. There it is. It is lovely. I'm loving the wispy effects caused by the cup that I am using, and the black and the white together are just beautiful. The pearl white isn't bright, it's a muted white, which is very effective for a painting like this. And that was just so easy to do. I enjoyed that, and I'm very happy with the results. And that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.